there, my name's Todd. We're at 10 Mile in Frisco, Colorado. This is the highest music venue in the country at 9,100 feet elevation. It's a wonderful place to visit. Our little town of Frisco, Colorado has about 2,500 people in it, and we have a lot of fun with concerts and lots of bands here in the mountains. We have weddings and all sorts of special events, and we serve barbecue in the summer. So when we get to walk around 10 Mile Music Hall, you're gonna see the labor of our love from me and Keegan, and we worked really hard with our architect and with our contractor. We had to make something that works for weddings, works for corporate events, works for concerts obviously, and some of the things that we got to do was pick out materials that we wanted and that would look super nice and that would still stand up to having 100,000 people in here over the course of a year or more. When it came time to pick our flooring and wall tile for the bathrooms and for the balcony level, I had seen a bunch of Floor Decor buildings popping up around Colorado, and they looked like amazing stores. When we went down to Floor Decor, we were met by someone at the pro desk, and they really helped us. He said, come and get a sample, do what you want with it. You guys aren't buying anything for another couple months, do what you want with it. So when it came time to actually select our flooring and the wall tile, we went down to the store, and they were all in stock, and we got to go and really look at them and touch them and feel them and make our decisions in the actual store. One of the things that we really liked about the AquaGuard product that I didn't mention before is that you do not need a transition strip between rooms. So we were able to go a full 1,000 square feet without any transition strips. We were able to go into the kitchen, into the bar area, and these are high traffic, high volume areas, high work areas that have held up so well with, lots of water on the floor and food and all that kind of stuff. So what we did is we kind of put together a industrial feel with a really rustic mountain feel. It's funny because people come in here when they're looking around at the room, and that's what they say. Oh, industrial and rustic, I like it. When we walk around, you'll see we built a big deck so people can eat on there in the summer. It's got amazing views of Peak 1 and the 10 Mile range. That's where we got our name, 10 Mile. When you do walk around the balcony, you'll see how beautiful it looks and how rustic it looks, and how well it's held up with, like I said, about 100,000 people walking on it over the course of the past 10 months. With us coming up on our year anniversary, we've had some amazing times in here. So we've had some amazing events, and those kinds of events we're going to keep going for the next 10, 15, however many years. People love music, 100 years, whatever that is, We'd love to see you here at 10 Mile sometime in the future. If you're ever in Colorado or planning a ski trip, or you just love music and the mountains, feel free to stop in, check it out. It's a really beautiful place. We think you'll love it.